Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. I've got a really cool 6x12 Colorado off-road trailer here. You guys can view all of our inventory online anytime, as well as purchase our trailers online, as we specialize in online trailer sales at getmytrailer.com, or send us an email for quick response time at sales@getmytrailer.com. Again, this is our 6x12 off-road trailer in a matte gray blackout. Does have the nice tall diamond plate rock guard and nice big wrapped corners for rock protection. You do have a place for that generator to ride right there on that tongue with the generator platform and box. Does not come with a generator, you need to supply that, but there's a place to stick it. Nice twist lock plug there on the front as well. Side swivel jack, removable front coupler, great for adding that articulating hitch. Now these trailers sit up tall. You've got about 19 inches worth of ground clearance, as these are true off-road trailers. So you have a step off that side door, RV lock and cam bar on that side door as well for double lock protection. And then an exterior GFI outlet located right there. 3,500 pound torsion axle, 32-inch mud terrain tires. There is also a brake on this axle, and you've also got the black diamond plate fender there. Nice big meaty tire with a black American racing wheel. Drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back for extra stability. This one is also equipped with our awning door. This is a really cool option, as you guys can see. If you're looking for a concession type trailer, this is a great feature, or it's just nice if you guys want to have that extra ventilation. And when it's closed, there's a window in it, so you guys will see that we've got some nice dual cross ventilation through there even when it's closed with those two windows. Ladder, this is an exterior ladder with roof rack on top. That's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed up there, so some additional storage. Load lights off the back as well. Rear ramp door does have the spring assist close on it, so you guys can open and close that. This is also equipped with the rear deck option. So there's stabilizer jacks. You can fold down and use that as a rear deck as well for some more exterior space. Party lights on both sides of the trailer, which is an awesome feature. That's that light bar that you guys see right there. So you'll have nice big party lights again on both sides, plus the load lights off the back. So great exterior light at night. Insulated wall, ceiling, and floor. This unit does have that insulated floor in it as well, so that's a nice extra bonus. And then a one-piece rubber coin floor, so no seams in this. This is a beautiful floor. This is going to be a great trailer for somebody. And then we do have the two windows in here, as you guys can see, so when that is folded down, you've got them across from each other. It looks like the walls and ceiling are also double insulated in this trailer, so this is a heavily insulated unit. This is going to be a great trailer for somebody. Interior puck lights for those guys right there. Now these puck lights, as well as the spots off the back and your party lights on the outside of the trailer, are all going to be ran right here off this battery, so you don't have to be plugged into a vehicle or have your generator on to have interior or exterior light, thanks to that little guy right there. And then you do have your 30 amp service right here with that twist lock plug on the front, and you guys can bring power in to power up your interior outlets. Looks like there's 4 inside outlets, 1 outside outlet. It's also going to run your AC unit with a heat strip, so you can heat and cool this trailer as well. And it also is going to run those big 4-foot LED lights here across the ceiling, so you can have a little bit of light or a lot of light if you need it. 3-year factory warranty with this trailer. I believe it weighs about 2,000 pounds. It's going to give you about a 1,500 pound payload capacity. And just a great setup. Give us a call, 303-688-8485. Always email us for a quicker response time at sales@getmytrailer.com. And again, you guys can view all of our inventory, purchase our trailers right online at getmytrailer.com, and we ship. So if you don't live near us, no worries, give us a call. We'll get you a shipping quote and get the trailer sent right to your door. And be sure to like and subscribe.